We're back to talk to you again about Decipher 2018, a design research conference we're going to host at University of Michigan Stamp School of Art and Design, and this is a collaboration between the design educators community and the DARIA Design as Research in the Americas Network.
We want you to join us to Decipher as an engaged attendee. As a participant, you can collaborate with our facilitators in the activity groups, conversations, and workshops.
In order to participate as an engaged attendee at Decipher, we ask you to submit a very brief written submission of 250 words, connecting to our conference themes of doing, defining, disseminating, supporting, and teaching design research. Just pick one of those 5. The other items on this list should only take you a little while to pull together, and you can submit them all through our Decipher submission system. So submitting your written piece allows your voice to be counted in the mix and for others to connect with you based on your interests. It also helps to indicate your interest in specific topics, as well as enable us as the organizers to connect you with the session facilitators and assist in networking opportunities. And also, for those just getting started with design research, know that your short submissions will actually be published in our conference proceedings, unlike all other conferences. So once you complete your written submission, we'll get back to you with registration information.
And if you have any concern, do not hesitate to send an email to decipher2018@umich.edu.
See you this September in Ann Arbor.